Hey guys, in today's video, I will be unboxing my November Birchbox. If you're curious to see what kind of things they put in my box, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I will be sharing with you my November Birchbox. Now, I did decide to cancel this subscription because I just wasn't feeling the products that they were sending to me, so this will be my last box. And without further ado, let's see what they put in this thing. Okay, guys, so here's my box. Their packaging is super stellar, super fun, bright colors. Love their packaging. Let's see what's in this thing. Alrighty, dighty. Hopefully I don't drop anything. They give you a card to let you know what's in the box, which is super helpful. And here's what it's looking like so far. And I'll give you guys a little sneaky peeky and hopefully nothing falls out. Bloop! Awesome. Okay, so let's grab this first because I think I got this in my last box. Yeah. Beauty Protector, Protect and Detangle. It's a leave-in detangler. I'm not sure if the Birchbox was the one that I got this in. I think it was, but I did get this in my last box. Good thing I canceled. So what? When you cancel, they just start throwing stuff you already got and they don't care? I don't know. All right, so anyways, this is, yeah, Beauty Protector, Protect and Tangle. This is a full-size. This is a full-size item? Oh, no. They're telling me the full size is $23.50. They don't tell me the amount you get for $23.50, but this one is 1 ounce. And if I find that, which I'm sure I probably will, I will post it for you guys so you know. This is paraben and sulfate-free detangler, protects against UV rays and heat styling while preventing color from fading. Spray all over towel-dried hair and comb through. So I wasn't that impressed with this product. I have used this exact product. Wasn't that impressed with it. I will go ahead and use this one as well, but it's not something I would ever actually purchase. So there's that. Off to a great start. So now we have a orb. Is that orb or ribe? I don't know. Dry texturizing spray. Here's this. What's a texturizing spray? I don't even know what that is. Let's see here. Dry texturizing spray. The full-size version of this is $48. The one that they sent me is 1 ounce. So you pack dry shampoo. Oh, part dry shampoo, part texturizer. This multitasker soaks up oil and gives hair body and bounce. Spray 4 to 5 inches from your roots and tousle to maximize lift. Okay, so it's kind of like a dry shampoo, but then it also says it's a texturizer. So I've never used one of these. I'll give it a try. We'll see how it goes. I am going to smell this one though because I don't know. Should I just spray it on my hair? Oh no. It did. This is why you guys came here, isn't it? Why doesn't it work? Do I have to push it forward, backward? What the heck? Okay, guys. It doesn't do anything right now because I'm clearly doing something wrong, but awesome. Oh, there you go. Okay. Ooh. Has an interesting smell. You know, it almost smells like perfume. I'm not a perfume fan at all. Guys, I have worn the same Body Fantasies Cotton Candy body spray for years, and I'll probably never change, but we'll see. Okay, so there's that one. Let's move on to this. They're real. What's real? Beyond Mascara. Oh, love getting a good mascara. So here's their packaging. It says Beyond Real. Look at that. If that's what happens, are you guys getting that? If that's what happens to me, awesome. Okay, let's take a look at this. I'm always down for a good mascara. This is great. Is it black? I hope it's black. Oh, I keep getting things in these subscription boxes that, yes, it's black. Ooh, interesting wand. So here you go. This is what we have going on here. I am down for a good mascara. This is 3 grams or 0.1 ounces, the one that they sent to me. So they didn't talk about it. Oh, yeah, they did. Benefit Cosmetics. Their Real Lengthening Mascara. The full-size version of this puppy is $25. So this mascara lengthens, thickens, and curls lashes with a specially designed brush featuring staggered bristles to grab each lash. gently wiggle the wand from lash line to tip. So that's what we all do. But you know what? I have found some of the mascaras I get in these things really good. So we'll give this one a try. I've never tried this brand. So if I like it, maybe I will pay $25 for the full version. We'll have to see. So I'm always excited to get a mascara. I guess I'll jump to this next. This is Sunday Riley High Dose Retinoid Serum. It says A+ on there. I don't know. Some teacher must have graded this for me. So there you go. They gave it an A+. All right, so this is a retinol, a vitamin derivative, is the key to this serum that fights signs of aging and improves the look of congested skin. Avoid retinol while pregnant or breastfeeding. Yeah, no need to worry about that for me. The full-size version of this is $85. Okay, guys, I can promise you, unless this makes me look like I'm 12 years old, I will most likely not purchase it for that price. Just saying. So that's really cool, though. Let's open it up. I'm always down for a good anti-aging serum. And okay, so it's kind of just like a, I don't know, like a clear Vaseline color. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it really doesn't smell like much. So yeah, the one that they sent me is 0.17 fluid ounces. Again, they didn't put on here how much the big one cost. I will pop that on the screen should that be provided for me. So this just says Birchbox. Okay, Birchbox what? It's a mystery item. I already have one of these. I have like 20 of these. Great. I think we all know what this is. Does it say Birchbox Jade Roller? The full-size version of this is $12. I'm assuming this is the full-size version. But yeah, we all know what these do. You roll them on for your mask and try to get your serums into your skin. So I'm not going to go over all of that with you. But yeah, that's the last item in this box. I gotta say, guys, I am not super disappointed that I canceled after seeing this box. I think that I 100% did the right thing. But this is 100% worth the cost. But I just don't like the products that they send me. They're not things that I use very often or things that I would ever find myself reaching for. So that's why I decided to cancel this subscription. But hopefully you guys found the video helpful in knowing what you get in this kind of box should you be interested in it. So if you did, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. I have a lot more fun videos coming up very soon. Lots of unboxings coming this week because everything came in the mail all at the same time. So I'm going to have an unboxing Monday through Thursday this week because I got all of my boxes in like I think the same day. I don't know. My mailbox was jam full. At any rate, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Now I did decide to cancel this subscription, so this will be my last box from them, but I'm kind of pumped to see what they put inside there. I didn't know where to go after that. Try it again. Okay, guys, so here's my box. Did I do that right? I felt like I didn't do it right. It stayed shut, though. That's cool.